Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to improve text quality in Photoshop. We'll start by understanding resolution, which is crucial for sharp text. Then, we'll explore font selection, ensuring your chosen typeface suits your project. Finally, I'll show you how to effectively use anti-aliasing to smooth out jagged edges, making your text look professional and polished. Let's dive in and make your text pop. Next, let's explore some advanced techniques. Converting your text to a smart object allows for flexible, non-destructive edits, preserving original quality. We'll then fine-tune spacing with kerning and tracking, ensuring perfect letter and word distribution. Finally, discover how blending modes and layer styles can add depth and unique visual effects to your text, transforming its appearance dramatically. These steps will elevate your designs. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, for all you avid readers, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime, and it's a fantastic way to relax after a long design session. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To avoid common pitfalls, always begin your projects in a high-resolution document. This prevents pixelation and maintains crispness. Be careful not to excessively scale rasterized text, as it loses quality quickly. Remember to save your work frequently in Photoshop's native PSD format, which preserves all layers and text information. Following these best practices will ensure your text always looks its best. You'll thank yourself later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.